Jammu Kashmir. There was massive uproar over floods in Jammu, an issue that was raised by BJP leaders who staged protest. Showdown witnessed in Jammu Kashmir Assembly. BJP protested, demanding a discussion on the issue of floods. We're given to understand amid the protest that was taking place, the Chief Minister left the House. Let's go across Sahil Suhail, my colleague, who is joining us in the broadcast with more details. We're given to understand that BJP wanted a discussion on floods and there was uproar inside the assembly.
Yes, exactly. Bharatiya Janata Party MLAs basically raised from their seats and in fact started protest, demanding a discussion on, on the issue of floods in Jammu. We had seen, in fact, previously floods in Jammu, and the BJP is basically strongly demanding a discussion on the issue, demanding what sort of relief measures and rehabilitation measures have been basically taken by the Jammu and Kashmir. We had seen Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah left the assembly, in fact, the house when this protest was going on. The Jammu and Kashmir Assembly Speaker disallowed discussion on, in fact, this particular issue, citing rules, and in fact assured the members of Bharatiya Janata Party that the discussion on this particular subject will take place tomorrow. So after this assurance, BJP MLAs basically led the House to proceed further for other discussions. But Bharatiya Janata Party has been, in fact, alleging discrimination, has been alleging apathy from Omar Abdullah government. Yesterday, this issue also came in assembly, where in fact Bharatiya Janata Party was demanding what sort of policy Jammu and Kashmir government has taken for the rehabilitation of these flood victims in Jammu, but the response was no such new policy has been adopted, and the previous policies to deal with the flood victims is already in process.
All right. Thank you very much for getting us the details, Suhail.